Introducing Dory, the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. We're bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone. We are chasing that mystery, chasing adventure, chasing new discoveries. 2 years ago, we took you exploring with Gladius, a campaign that resulted in over 1,600% funding and 100% delivered to backers. From there, we successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again with its small size, premium features, and surprisingly low price point. Dory connects the aquatic world to the masses, so serious adventurers and fun seekers can explore both in and out of the water. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. You may wonder, who was Dory made for? Well, lots of people. The person who loves bringing technology and family together. Dory makes it easy for anyone to use, even kids. And of course, adventure seekers are all about Dory. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. We, at Chasing, are enormously proud of the technologies packed into this small form factor and the features and benefits they provide. Depth Lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet. And with two built-in 250 lumen lights, you can find and capture exactly what you're looking for. The high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video. And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. We focused on the end-user experience first. So, unlike other underwater drones, you only need to charge the Dory itself, not the Wi-Fi buoy or a remote. This means less time spent charging and more time exploring. Dory is packed with technology designed to guide and enhance your experience. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. That's what makes Dory unique. With your pledge, you'll receive the drone, tether, Wi-Fi buoy, and charger. We even created an optional waterproof Dory backpack with customized internal compartments. Its unique shape, quality materials, and waterproof zipper perfectly match the attention to detail given to its cargo. Earth's last frontier is no longer uncharted territory. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase, Chasing Dory.